a small, cozy village nestled between two rolling hills, lived a little boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his kind heart and curious mind, always eager to explore the world around him. One sunny afternoon, while wandering by the forest, he stumbled upon a hidden path that led to an enchanted glade. In the heart of the glade stood a beautiful, golden horn. Timmy approached the horn, touched it gently, and to his surprise, it began to shine. The horn hummed a magical melody that filled the air, and suddenly, a sparkling rainbow appeared before him. In a flash, Timmy found himself in a world unlike anything he had ever seen. Towering trees with leaves of gold and flowers that glowed in the dark stretched as far as his eyes could see. As he marveled at the beauty of this new place, he heard a soft voice calling his name. He turned to see a wise, talking rabbit with twinkling eyes. The rabbit told Timmy that he had been chosen to embark on a quest to save his village from an evil sorcerer. Together, Timmy and the rabbit traveled through the magical world, facing challenges and making new friends. With the magic horn's melody guiding them, they learned valuable lessons about determination, kindness, and the power of friendship. Finally, they reached the sorcerer's castle, where Timmy bravely faced the sorcerer with the magic horn's melody. The evil sorcerer was no match for the combined strength of Timmy and his new friends, and with a final, powerful note, the horn shattered the sorcerer's enchantment. With the village saved, Timmy and his friends returned to the enchanted glade. The rabbit told Timmy that from now on, the magic horn would always be there to guide him, helping him to make the world a better place. Timmy returned home, filled with wonder and gratitude. From that day forward, he shared the stories of his adventure with everyone in his village, spreading the magic of kindness and friendship far and wide. The end.